you are looking to make your house real smart, super smart. You want to turn on lights and you want to turn on plugs off and on. Let me show you this little device, the iClever, right now. How we doing, everyone? Once again, this is David from MEDIABOXENT Blockchain. Well, we always bring you some cool product. Now, we want the product to make my house even much smarter than what it used to be now. So you need to get the iClever. So, Menina, tell me a little bit about the iClever.
Well, the iClever Smart Plug, which is your ticket to the tech-savvy home, is a powerful 15-amp device. It controls your electronics throughout your voice commands or your smartphone. You'll be able to operate all of your devices with ease. Just plug them into the smart plug and you're good to go. It's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant alike. Voice commands provides hands-free control from anywhere in your home, and it's very energy efficient, so you will save some money too.
Because you control now. This one is 125 volts, 15 amps, 1800 watts. So V equals to 1800 light volts. So plenty, but you can control now your coffee maker, your toaster. When you wake up in the morning, it will be ready for you. You can
good.
just go and you just go to Google. Now you go to Google and you say, okay, Google, office light on.
Okay, turning ICBSO5 on.
Whoa,
That's it.
Does it office light?
That's my
Is that
office
your
light. It
office?
looks like it's a party time.
Okay.
So I go, hey, Google, office light off.
You got it.
Is that
Turn
the
on
office light?
ICBSO5.
And you can,
What is the party light?
no, I can call. I just read it right away. Remember when I say party to this thing goes, it said, oh, great, there is a party. I don't know why. It's just to say, to turn the light. It's like, oh, why is
Oh,
this?
that's what, okay.
Yeah. Remember they started to put the laser, and I said, okay, turn the laser. And I said, hey, party it on. Oh, and Google said, oh, yeah, great, there is a party. No, turn the
It turns
laser
everything
on.
on.
Turn the laser on. All right, so this comes in a box of two, so it's great. So you control two things. For us, we could control definitely some lighting effects on something in the studio. Now, pretty easy to plug in. So as you see there, we talk to Google. If you have an Alexa, will be the same thing. You just go on Alexa, and we can see the screen there. And I will set up one for any way you can see. So we get the application. You will have to download the application, and from here, we can turn it on and turn it off. And also the application allow you to set up a schedule. You don't need to have the Google, the Alexa. Okay, this thing is, now listen to
My
me.
apologies. I don't
Alright.
understand.
Okay, you're forgiven.
All right, so you can go and set up different rooms. You can set the schedules, the groups, you hit the profile. So you don't have to have one of this. You can set up all automatic. That's what I used to do before I got the Google Home. You can turn it off from here and turn it off. Pretty simple. Now, the way to do it comes with instructions. So if you have an OS or an Android, you can scan. You're going to scan your phone, and then you download the application where it give you all the instruction. But we're going to set up the second one anyway, so I'll show you how that works. What else we got, Menina?
So, you know what? If you are low on outlet space, that means you don't have so many outlets. There's no problem because the iClever Smart Plug is a space-saving design and enables you to install 2 minis in the universal socket.
Oh,
So
that's
block
great.
plugs are a thing from the past. Welcome to the future with MEDIABOXENT and the iClever Smart Plug.
So the way to do it the first time, you're going to scan it. I already went to that process. We're going to do that right now. You scan it. They ask you for your phone number. You have to create an account. All these devices, because I have all the applications to control different devices, all these applications, you guys to make sure you're using 2.4 gigahertz network. They don't support 5 gigahertz. Even the Google Home, any smart device, they only use 2.4. I guess using 2.4 because it reach far, goes through walls. It's better in a way, slow but better. We don't need speed here. So that's first one. If you have a VPN installed in your phone, make sure you turn it off because you will have problems to try to sync any smart device, at least the first time. Then you can turn it up back again. Now, once you did the application, pretty simple, ask you for your password, and then you're going to register your phone, send you a confirmation, you type a confirmation, then You run out what I want. You want the bedroom outdoor. Actually, I have one of these that control my water fountain outside. So every night when I say Google, good night, it turns out, my water fountain. All right, so let me show you. So we're gonna take this out.
It's sunny with a high of 29.
It's telling you the temperature.
Oh yeah, Google, stop.
Calendar for tomorrow.
Stop. Okay.
What time should I set the alarm for?
Oh yeah, see, this shit off. We don't need it for now. All right, goodbye, Google. All right, so we put the second one. This one never set it up yet. The way to do it, we're gonna turn my phone on. So I got my phone on. You can guys see the application right on the screen. The way to do it, you plug it in, you hold your power button for 5 seconds. We wait. You're gonna see the lights blinking. That's it. You see that green line and one light blinking. All right. So now we're gonna press the plus in the application. And what we have here, we have an electronic outlet. All right, confirm is blinking. Make sure your little light, but it's green. So, yeah, confirm. You have to type your password. It's already memorized. We confirm, and it takes maybe like 30 seconds. It's going to go this number, and you're going to see now it will detect it. All right, it takes about 60 seconds. So when it's done, I give you an ID. Each one has own ID. You can change it if you want later on. So you can rename it. We're going to leave it the way it is. So you can call it actually what will be the coffee maker switch if you want. Or it's done. So, see? On. So let's plug this thing. It's on. It's off. And if you can see here, you can put a countdown, you can put a schedule, whatever you want. Then later on, the next step, you'll have to set up on either your Google and your Alexa. So, Menina, I want to get this right now. I want to make my house super smart so we can get this device. How we can do it?
All you have to do is click the link below the video and to get your own iClever smart plug. And remember, in each box, you have 2 units, which is absolutely amazing to me.
That's it. So, Menina, I'll see you next time with another great device in the MediaBoxENT blockchain.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.